In our fast-paced modern world, where stress and uncertainty have become the norm, we find ourselves desperately seeking a way to tap into the power of the universe. How many times have you faced seemingly insurmountable challenges, desperately wanting to manifest a better outcome? Today, we bring you an ancient secret hidden within the pages of the Bible that holds the key to attracting your deepest desires. Imagine a world where you could effortlessly activate the law of attraction, where your desires became reality at the snap of your fingers. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But what if there's a way? Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into Conny Mendez's timeless teachings, focusing on one secret Bible prayer that, when practiced correctly, can help you manifest any desired outcome in your life. Conny Mendez, a renowned metaphysical author and spiritual leader, discovered this powerful prayer hidden within the folds of the ancient texts. And today, we're here to share it with you. Throughout the centuries, countless individuals have harnessed this prayer to unlock their true potential, achieving unimaginable success and happiness that once seemed out of reach. Now, it's your turn. But we don't stop there. We'll guide you step by step on how to integrate this prayer into your daily life, allowing you to become the master of your own destiny. Together, we will explore the secrets that lie within the pages of the Bible, empowering you to manifest your desires like never before. But remember, this journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires dedication, belief, and unwavering faith. So, if you're ready to unlock the hidden potential within you and embark on a life-transforming adventure, then I urge you to subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join our thriving community. Okay, let's get started. First thing first. Let me begin by sharing a special prayer with you. It goes like this: Lord, just like Moses, I boldly ask that you will show me your glory. Reveal yourself to me in deeper ways and allow me to experience your power, glory, splendor, and abundance. You are awesome and holy, and I praise your name. Let me explain the essence of this prayer. The prayer consists of 3 simple steps: acknowledgement, gratitude, and visualization. Firstly, acknowledge the presence of a higher power, whether you refer to it as God, the universe, or any other name. Recognize that this higher power is the source of all creation and has the ability to grant your desires. Next, express gratitude for the abundance that already exists in your life. By focusing on what you are grateful for, you attract more positive experiences and blessings. This step helps shift your mindset from lack to abundance. Finally, visualize your desired outcome as if it has already manifested. Feel the emotions of already having achieved it and immerse yourself in that reality. This step activates the law of attraction, drawing your desires into your life. Now, let's focus on the essential aspects of how to perform this prayer and the key considerations one should keep in mind to effectively manifest their desires. To make the most of this prayer, it is crucial to say it with faith and belief in its power. See yourself as already having manifested your desire as you say the prayer. Visualize it in vivid detail and allow yourself to feel the emotions that come with having achieved your desired outcome. This helps to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your intention, amplifying its manifestation. Conny Mendez advised saying this prayer in the morning to set the intention for the day. As you wake up and prepare for the day ahead, take a few moments to connect with the divine energy of the universe. And as you say this prayer, let go of any doubt or skepticism and have unwavering faith in its effectiveness. The prayer itself is simple and can be said in just a few minutes. It is also important to note that it can be said silently or out loud, whichever feels more comfortable to you. The key is to say it consistently and persistently, making it a part of your daily routine. What makes this prayer so powerful is that it focuses on affirming and declaring what you want rather than begging or pleading. It is a shift in mindset from a place of lack to a place of abundance. By declaring your desires, you are stating to the universe that you already possess what you seek, and the universe will respond by aligning circumstances and opportunities to bring it into your reality. But the power of this prayer doesn't stop there. Conny Mendez emphasized the importance of gratitude and appreciation in the manifestation process. By expressing gratitude for what you already have and appreciating the blessings in your life, you open yourself up to receive even more abundance. Gratitude is like a magnet that attracts positive experiences and opportunities. It's important to understand that this prayer is not limited to manifesting material desires. It can also be used to attract improved health, loving relationships, and overall well-being. The possibilities are truly infinite when it comes to the power of this prayer. So, how does this prayer work? The answer lies in its ability to shift your vibration and align you with the frequency of your desire. Our thoughts and emotions carry their own energy, and when we consistently say this prayer with unwavering faith, we raise our vibration to match the frequency of our desire. And when our vibration aligns with what we want, manifestation becomes inevitable. Remember, it's not enough to just say the prayer. It's equally important to take inspired action towards your desires. Visualize your goals, set clear intentions, and take the necessary steps to achieve them. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions must be in alignment with your desired outcome. This prayer helps you connect with the divine energy of the universe and tap into its infinite possibilities. It expands your consciousness, opens doors, and removes limitations that may be blocking your path to manifestation. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey as we explored the power of Conny Mendez's hidden Bible prayer. We hope that you have found inspiration and guidance in understanding the art of manifestation and the law of attraction. The potential to create the life of your dreams lies within you. By tapping into the metaphysical realm and using this powerful prayer, you can unlock your true potential and attract abundance, success, and fulfillment into your reality. We encourage you to make this prayer a part of your daily routine, saying it with unwavering faith and belief in its effectiveness. Visualize your desired outcome, feel the emotions of already having achieved it, and take inspired actions towards its manifestation. As you consistently practice this prayer, you will witness the universe aligning circumstances and opportunities to bring your dreams to life. We invite you to share your experiences and manifestations with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media to stay connected and receive more empowering content. Thank you for being a part of our community, and remember, you have the power to create a reality filled with abundance and success. Keep manifesting, keep believing, and watch as your dreams unfold. Until next time, stay blessed and stay abundant,